rushing because everyone is still asleep, but we're in Sydney. We are heading to Vanuatu today and I'm so excited. I'll try and like get lots of little clips and maybe just put them together for this vlog. I guess it'll be different to Pilates because it's traveling and stuff. I got here yesterday around the morning. It was so sweet. We got the cutest welcome at the airport. We're here because my boyfriend's sister's best friend lives here, so her family is kind of like hosting us. So she met us at the airport and she had these like leis, these like flower leis, and then fresh coconuts for us for the ride. And yeah, we've just been chilling, kind of just been settling in, and just met some of her family yesterday. Let me show you around really quick. Oh, this is kind of like the living room area. We started unpacking, so there's a bit of stuff everywhere. And then there are 2 bedrooms in this villa. So this is my bedroom here, bathrooms over there, and it kind of looks out towards the beach, which is so nice. It's just been so nice and warm. I haven't had a beach holiday in so long, so I've desperately needed this. Flight was like pretty, it wasn't bumpy at all, and it was like 3 hours from Sydney to here. As we were landing though, we were going down, you could see us going through the clouds. The pilot decided to come up really fast, really suddenly, but it was just because there was like very poor visibility, so we did the landing again. Today the boys have gone out fishing, so we are going to see if they get any fish because we're going to have that for lunch if they do get anything. And then it's kind of just me at the villa this morning, but it's okay because I'm gonna just do, I think like I might try and do a little bit of Pilates and maybe go to the beach, do a little bit of work and just chill. And then we're going to the lagoon in the afternoon. I'm wearing this little set from CSB. It's like my favorite. It's so comfy. As a Pilates instructor, I don't really like anything that's too compressive, but this one like holds everything in without being super compressive. So I've been reaching for this one a lot. Wait, I just wanted to show you guys how cute my little outfit for today is. So this little bag is like a local bag, I guess, and then the sarong as well. They're so cute. I just did like a really fast Pilates workout outside. It started raining a little bit, but I'm gonna go lay out in the sun, just read, just relax till the boys come home. Your mom was like so fascinated by the color. Oh my goodness. She's chasing me.
Don't wanna go. I'd rather watch TV shows than lay in bed. I don't wanna play your dreams and games. Share my cup.
Guys, so it is actually the 3rd day here in Vanuatu, but it's been so busy. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's been so much fun. Yesterday we went to the Blue Lagoon and we were there all afternoon, and we kind of just like jumping in the water. It looks so scary when you're doing it, but when you watch it in video, you're like, oh, it's actually not that bad. And so we were just chilling there, and then we had dinner at like a really nice restaurant that's been around for like 52 years or something like that. And today we rode horses, we were riding horses by the beach, like through the trees and stuff. And then we rode them into the water, like bareback. And yeah, I just came home and chilled. We're going out for like a sunset dinner now, so I'm really excited for that. Still finding it really hard to vlog in front of people, so I've like come away from the villa and I'm just doing it here. So yeah, there probably won't be much talking from me.
There's a cup of plant there before they chop it. Then we've put it to the meat inside, grind it, and then I just mix with water. Then I started with cheese. Now I'm filtering it up.
It is the last day here today. I'm really sad to be leaving, but I've had so much fun. Yesterday we had such a nice day. We went to our friend's private beach and it was so beautiful. The weather was so nice. The tide was really low, so we were just sitting in the water. We had lunch. They made like a whole roasted pig, really good chicken, really good tuna, like a Tahitian tuna coconut milk salad, which they made with the fish that they caught. It was really nice. And then we just went back in the water all day. So just spent the whole day out there. Today we're actually leaving. We're going back to Sydney. So I wasn't planning to go in the water, but it's so pretty. I feel like I just kind of have to. I think I'll just pop in for a little bit. Like, when else am I going to be here again? Guys, I am back in Sydney. We got back last night. I had the best time in Vanuatu. I can't believe that's the first time I've been to the Pacific Islands. Like, I feel like I definitely want to explore so much more. It was so beautiful. The beaches were so stunning. Like, the waters were so clear. I've never seen waters more blue and clear in my life. And I love the food. Everyone was so nice. Everyone's so warm and generous and welcoming there. If you're looking for a beach holiday, definitely look into the Pacific Islands because, yeah, Vanuatu is just stunning. And I'm so glad, I'm so grateful that we got to go with my boyfriend's sister's best friend, because I just feel like visiting anywhere with a local is such a different experience than when you go as a tourist. Anyway, we're back in Sydney today and we're just here for a few more days, just till Friday. So we're doing the fish market today, and some shopping, just walking around, and I want to get some matchas. I've got Pilates booked in a few days time, so I'm really excited for that.
Like this.
We got one to take pictures first. Autumn already.
It's been like so cold the last few days. We've kind of just been shopping, but it's been so windy and cold. It's finally sunny today. I'm going for my Pilates class today. I'm so excited. I'm going to Cynthia Lockhart's studio. So it's like a classical Pilates studio, and I've got a session with Tamika, who's Cynthia's daughter. It's been like a week since I've done Pilates, so I'm like really looking forward to it. Like, I've been just eating so much and I really just need to like move my body a little bit. And then we're just gonna walk around, I think, maybe like do a little bit more shopping, maybe go around botanical gardens. I don't really know what the plan is. And then tomorrow, heading back to Singapore.
Hello. Will it bite?
No. It'll jump though.
If you go